Chicken salad rolls. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cooked chicken breast, shredded iceberg lettuce, various herbs and mints, rice paper wraps 8.5 inch, 1 small bundle of glass vermicelli noodles, approximately 2 ounces boiled. First, prepare the dipping sauce. You will need the following: 2 cloves of garlic, ½ cup hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon tapioca flour or cornstarch. Add the water first to mixing bowl. Add the tapioca flour. Add the sugar while stirring. Mix in the hoisin sauce. And stir well. This pre-mixing before heating will help prevent clumping of the sauce. Drizzle vegetable oil into a 2-cup sauce pot. Turn heat on high. Add the minced garlic. Continue to stir as you brown the garlic. Pour in the hoisin mixture. Yes, my kitchen is smelling amazing. Bring to a boil. Mixture thickens in about 3 minutes. Pour into dipping bowls. Before serving, top with crushed roasted peanuts. And if you're adventurous, add chili paste for a kick. Now to roll the chicken salad rolls. Moisten the entire rice paper in hot water. Place chicken as shown. Add spearmint leaves and additional herbs. Add the shredded lettuce. Add a snip of glass vermicelli. Carefully fold in the sides first. Then fold the bottom flap upwards and roll tightly. What a fun way to enjoy chicken, refreshing and satisfying. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my videos. Happy eating!